Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Cooking with Shaima. Thank you very much for your lovely support for my channel. The Fish Biryani Malayalam got 12k views in 5 days. That inspires me to make an English version of the same. This video is making fish biryani. Fish biryani is a layered rice dish made with fish, basmati rice, spices and herbs. This is healthy and delicious non-vegetarian main course food. Hope you will enjoy this. Let us start making. I am using kingfish here for making biryani. Clean and wash fish pieces using salt and vinegar. I used 7 sliced kingfish here. Marinate the fish with 1 tablespoon Kashmiri chilli powder, half teaspoon fennel seeds powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon pepper powder, salt as required, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 tablespoon corn flour and some water. Keep the fish in refrigerator minimum for an hour. After an hour, you shallow fry the fish. Take a kadai, add coconut oil for frying the fish. Add some raisins and cashew nuts for frying. I sliced 1 big onion, fry this also. When the onion turns to golden brown, take it out. Now shallow fry the fish. Don't dry fry the fish, fry all of them. Keep the fried fish aside. Next step is preparation of biryani masala. Take a pan, add coconut oil. You can use the same oil which is used for frying the fish. You can use fresh oil also. Add required coconut oil. Add 4 big chopped onions to this. Add some salt. Make a paste of 1 small ginger, 15 garlic cloves, 3 green chilli. Chilli can vary depending on your taste. Few curry leaves. Add the paste to the onion. Mix it. Add 3 chopped medium-sized tomato to this and mix it well. Close the lids. Allow this to cook for 3 minutes. Now the tomato is properly cooked. Add half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon pepper powder, half tablespoon biryani masala, half teaspoon garam masala to this and mix it. Add some lemon juice. Add 3 tablespoon curd and mix it well. Add half glass hot water to this and mix well. Take 1 fried fish, crush this and add to the masala. Mix it well. Cook this for 2 minutes. Add few chopped coriander leaves and mint leaves. Add half spoon cow ghee also. Now add the fried onion to this masala. Place the fried fish on top of this masala. Cover the fish with masala. Close the lids. Cook it for 2 minutes. The fish biryani masala is ready. Now prepare biryani rice. Wash and soak rice for 10 minutes. Take a big pan. Add 2 tablespoons coconut oil. Add 2 tablespoons cow ghee also. Fry few chopped carrot. Add 2 pieces cinnamon, 2 bay leaves, 5 cardamom, 7 cloves and a few chopped onion to this. Add few fennel seeds also. Add water to this. 1 cup rice needs 1.5 cup water. This is the ratio for adding water. I took 4 cup biryani rice here, so I added 6 cup boiled water. Add required salt. Add 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste to this. This is optional. Water got boiled. Add few sliced carrot to this. When water starts boiling, add rice and mix well. Keep the flame low to cook, otherwise rice may stick in the bottom. Stir it in between. Check rice occasionally. Now the biryani rice is ready. Next step is making dum fish biryani. Take a kitchen utensil. Add fish along with masala in the bottom. Add 1 layer of rice to this. Add masala on top of this. Add another rice layer. Mix half teaspoon turmeric in milk and add on top of rice for food color. You can add food color also. Add the fried carrot, raisins, cashew nuts, fried onions and a few coriander leaves. Add 1 more layer of rice to this. Do this process till the masala and rice finishes. Add 1 teaspoon cow ghee on top of this. Close the lid. Keep the flame to very low. Cook this for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, turn off the flame. Keep it for another 10 to 15 minutes without opening. Your fish dum biryani is ready. While serving, take care not to break the fried fish pieces. You can garnish the biryani by adding fried cashew nuts, raisins, carrots, onions and chopped coriander leaves. I am sure your family will like this. Try it out and share with your dear ones. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share and subscribe my channel Cooking with Shaima. I will be coming with another video soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.